Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. Well guys, sometimes when you get half band less than your desired band in writing, and when especially you are looking for 8,777, and in one module they give you 6.5, and in other three modules you get 8 and 7.7, in that situation, some people want to commit suicide. Just joking, okay? They don't know what to do because, IELTS is sometimes so unpredictable. You think you would get good band score, but actually they give you half band less. They don't give you, but they give you half band less because, when you go for EOR, your band score increases. So this student of mine had achieved 8.5 band in listening, 8 band in reading, 6.5 band in writing, and 8.5 band in speaking. Check this great band score. But useless for a general training IELTS candidate whose requirement is 8,777. And unfortunately, when you appear in IELTS test second time, where you got 8.5, they will give you 6.5 over there. And then the rat race continues, and you got to appear and reappear and all that stuff. So this student of mine had watched my video on EOR, inquiry on results. EOR means I'm not happy with my result. Please reevaluate my tasks. And whenever you go for EOR, senior IELTS examiners, they actually reevaluate you. So after EOR, and usually I recommend the students to apply EOR on all 4 modules. But this student of mine, already she had achieved good band score in 3 modules, like listening 8.5, reading 8, speaking 8.5, only writing 6.5. So she decided to go for EOR, and actually EOR, when senior examiner marked her writing second time, senior examiner gave her 7 band instead of 6.5, and then he achieved that threshold of 8,777, and now she can use this IELTS happily. So sometimes instead of resitting in the exam, you can go for EOR, and thank goodness EOR is fair. Whenever you go for EOR, you pay the fee. It's very hefty amount that you pay. And then senior IELTS examiner checks your writing as well as speaking, and then they give you the band score. And those senior examiners are not told the previous band scores. They just give them the task and they say, okay, please check and give the band score. And then if the band score changes, they return your EOR fee as well. Never apply EOR on listening and reading. Just apply on writing and speaking if you are sure that you really performed well in actual exam. But whenever you apply for EOR, apply EOR on all 4 modules because the fee is same whether you go for 1 module recheck or all 4 modules. All the best guys. Thank you so much. We also teach IELTS online all over the world and on campus here in Lahore. If you wish to be the part of my online or on campus IELTS classes, my WhatsApp number is given. You can contact me for that. Asad Yaqub truly wishes you all the best. Take care. Allah Hafiz.